How does Hinduism address the stigma around mental health issues? Hinduism, with its diverse practices and philosophical outlooks, provides a multifaceted approach to understanding and addressing mental health issues, including the stigma often associated with them. While traditional aspects of Hindu culture may inadvertently contribute to the stigma around mental health due to misunderstandings and societal norms, Hinduism's core teachings and practices offer pathways to reduce this stigma and promote a more compassionate, holistic understanding of mental well-being. Holistic view of health. Hinduism promotes a holistic view of health that encompasses physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional well-being. This perspective encourages seeing mental health issues not as isolated problems or personal failures but as imbalances that can affect anyone. By emphasizing the interconnectedness of all aspects of health, Hindu teachings advocate for a compassionate approach to mental health issues, recognizing them as part of the human experience. Spiritual practices and mental well-being. Hindu spiritual practices, such as meditation, yoga, and prayer, are recognized for their mental health benefits, including reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. These practices promote mindfulness, enhance concentration, and facilitate a deeper connection with oneself, contributing to mental and emotional well-being. The widespread acceptance and integration of these practices into daily life can help normalize attention to mental health and reduce stigma. Role of community and family support. In Hindu culture, community and family play a central role in an individual's life. This collective approach extends to how mental health issues are perceived and addressed. The support and involvement of family and community can provide a safety net for individuals facing mental health challenges, offering emotional support and practical assistance. However, this can sometimes lead to stigma if mental health issues are seen as a source of shame or social embarrassment. Increasing awareness and understanding within these support networks are crucial for changing attitudes and reducing stigma. Educational and awareness efforts. There are growing efforts within Hindu communities and organizations to educate about mental health, reduce stigma, and encourage open discussions about mental well-being. These initiatives aim to dispel myths, provide accurate information about mental health conditions and treatments, and highlight the importance of seeking professional help when needed. Religious leaders and community organizations can play a significant role in these educational efforts, leveraging their influence to promote a more enlightened understanding of mental health. Integrating modern psychology with traditional beliefs. There is an increasing recognition of the value of integrating modern psychological insights with traditional Hindu beliefs and practices. This integration can offer holistic approaches to mental health care that respect cultural and religious perspectives while employing evidence-based treatments. Such approaches can help bridge the gap between traditional beliefs and modern mental health practices, reducing stigma and improving access to care. Conclusion. While challenges remain in addressing the stigma around mental health issues within Hindu communities, Hinduism's holistic perspective on health, combined with its rich repertoire of spiritual practices, community support systems, and ongoing educational efforts, provides a solid foundation for change. By fostering greater awareness, encouraging open dialogue, and integrating traditional and modern approaches to mental health, Hindu communities can continue to make strides in reducing stigma and supporting mental well-being.